Hi viewers. Welcome to HMKsuper.cars news. Novitec has revealed its first tuning kit for the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, working with the V8 hybrid powertrain to unlock a total of 1,093 brake horsepower. Its power upgrades have also been joined with bespoke suspension and styling kits, creating one of Novitec's most powerful projects ever, and certainly one of its most complex. The power upgrades from within the SF90 are confined to the internal combustion engine, with Novitec's own ECU and exhaust system unlocking a 105 brake horsepower power increase. The ECU's new parameters include revised mapping for the ignition and injection system, while also intervening on the electronically controlled boost maps for the twin turbochargers. Novitec's exhaust system is available in different variants, offering more or less sound via electronically controlled butterfly valves, and in one case the option of gold plating, but all add up to the same rise in power. The overriding result is that the SF90's 4-liter V8 engine now produces 876 brake horsepower on its own, with the remaining 216 brake horsepower derived from the 3 remaining electric motors. This equates to the 1,093 brake horsepower peak system power figure, with torque peaking at 677 pounds-foot at 6,100 RPM. Against the stopwatch, Novitec is claiming its SF90 will reach 62 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and cross 124 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, an improvement of 0.1 seconds and 0.4 seconds on the base SF90 respectively, although independent acceleration timing has found that the SF90 will often eclipse those factory numbers when fitted with stickier tire compounds, making Novitec's figures equally dependent on conditions and the tires it's running. Alongside these changes to the powertrain, Novitec has also been at work on the SF90's suspension, offering new springs that lower the ride height by 30 mm on the front axle and 25 mm at the rear. These will work in conjunction with either the base Stradale's magnetorheological dampers, or the optional passive Multimatic units found on the Assetto Fiorano, but together with the new forged 21-inch wheel option will make quite a difference on something as finely set up as Ferrari's flagship supercar. For those who want further visual differentiation, Novitec is also offering a selection of new exterior elements, including new front wings that incorporate carbon fiber vents over the front wheel arches. In addition to this, there are new detachable front and rear carbon fiber aero devices on the splitter and rear diffuser, plus a more prominent Assetto Corsa-like carbon rear spoiler that still works with the existing active inner lip. So guys, with Novitec, Ferrari SF90 Stradale is now touching high sky. Did you like the video? Tell me in comments, like the video and subscribe my channel HMK.Supercars. In my next upcoming videos I'll bring more exciting auto news about new launchings, future technologies and top speed of the supercars. Till then enjoy. Take care and goodbye.